Greetings again, episode 7. Vijay Rochlani, Aparajit, undefeated, is being presented to you. तो विक्रम ने अपने लिए रास्ते कैसे ढूंढे, जिसको कहता था वो सुंदर सस्ता टिकाऊ। जब तुम्हारे पास कुछ नहीं है तो ये 3 शब्द याद रखना, सुंदर सस्ता टिकाऊ। सो व्हाट डिड ही डू? उसके पैसे चले गए थे, घर, बीवी, बच्चे, ऑफिस, सब कुछ फिनिश्ड। वो एक अलग स्टोरी है कि जब आप देते हैं और जब निकलता है तो क्या क्या चला जाता है। बट उसे उस वक्त एवरीडे जीना था जैसे कई लोगों को आज जीना पड़ता है। तो उसने क्या सोचा, सिंह पैसे तो है नहीं, चलो वो काम करते हैं जिसको कहते हैं स्पोर्ट्स एंजॉय। तो वो अपने दोस्त जिसको चेस खेलने का बहुत शौक था उसे ढूंढता था, और उसकी ऑफिस के बाद वहाँ बैठ करके वो लोग चेस खेलते थे। विक्रम वॉज वेरी गुड एट चेस, तो उसको हराने में उसको मज़ा तो आता था, पर बोलने में नहीं तो वो खेलना बंद कर देगा। तो हर 2-3 दिन में एक बार उसकी ऑफिस में जाकर के चेस खेलता था, जो बीच पे बास्केटबॉल खेलता था। एब्सोल्युटली नो कॉस्ट। बॉल और नेट्स तो बॉम्बे में पता नहीं कैसे सुबह को 7 बजे सब निकल आते हैं। कोई क्रिकेट खेलता है, कोई कैरम खेलता है, कोई चेस खेलता है। आप क्या खेलना चाहेंगे? आप अंताक्षरी प्ले कर सकते हैं, आप किसी नेबर के साथ गॉसिप कर सकते हैं। ऑल लो कॉस्ट सॉल्यूशंस टू स्टे जॉयफुल, लुक गुड, बी हैप्पी। बिकॉज आपको गिराने वाले 5,000 करोड़ की पार्टी हो, या 5,000 करोड़ का कॉर्पोरेशन हो, या 5,000 रुपए का आदमी हो, दर्द बहुत होता है, सेम है। यू हैव टू फाइंड योर सोल्यूशंस। तो विक्रम ने ऐसे बहुत सारे सोल्यूशंस ढूंढे जिसमें ना गाड़ी की जरूरत, ना नो इन्वेस्टमेंट, नो ट्रैवल, नथिंग। बिकॉज उसे सर्वाइव करके एक नया इतिहास रचना था। We'll be talking about how history can be created even with nothing. And it is possible that you and many others, you can give it to somebody who needs it. And Vikram did that. He was helping so many people in so many different ways. He was very good at the stock markets at one time. So he would ask people to invest, and when they made money, they would treat him like God. But then it was not the money, it was the joy of receiving appreciation. You have to get appreciation to move forward. Because as it is, your family, your friends, your business people have all been putting you down. So Vikram had not only to do that, he had to deal with dozens of lawyers, because उसके ऊपर बहुत सारे cases आ चुके थे, and sub high court and difficult courts. So he had to win the loyalty and the affection of his lawyers, because ultimately he could not spend money and he had to fight those cases. So you may not have money, you may not have backing, but you may have something that the other person will appreciate. Look for that, find out, and move ahead. So Vikram could speak, he could act, he could sing, he could write poems, and these are all things that he could do on a mobile, which everyone has. So my friends, what am I trying to say? Let us discuss. If you have certain situations where you feel that there is nothing that you can do, but maybe I could tell you that you could find these ways to survive the way Vikram did. And not only that, he was continuously, it would not be incorrect to say 24/7, 24 ghante, ways were being devised to put him under tremendous pressure, disrespect, attacks, money, almost physical. When his children saw him, they were physically aggressive. उसे धक्के मारते थे. So what would he do? And they even told him in a court hearing, my book writes about that, it speaks about that, that we want you to cuff and cuff. आप खास खास के मर जाएंगे. तो चाहे आपके बच्चे हो, चाहे आपके नेबर हो, आपकी माँ हो, आपके बाप हो, आई एम सॉरी टू यूज दैट लैंग्वेज, आजकल सब हो रहा है. You will have to find a way to bear that and move ahead. The signals are there 24 hours. ये प्रेशर तो 24 hours आ रहे थे उस पर, बट उसको 24 hours पॉजिटिव सिग्नल्स भी अपने अंदर लेने थे. तो वो उसने कैसे लिए? जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, वो ऐसे स्पॉट्स ढूंढे जिसमें कुछ नहीं लगता. लाइक आई सेड, कैरम, basketball by the beach, going to the temple for New Year's and arranging games for all the devotees. So many charitable things that happen. When he was struck with COVID, so many kind people called and said, we are a group of people living in this and this colony, which is close to you. We will deliver you medicines, we'll deliver you food anytime. So there are many people, there are many doctors, there are many clinics which stood by him when he was afflicted with so many disease, with COVID twice. Medicines were out of reach, doctors were exploiting, and amazing stuff was happening around. This will keep happening. जिसको कहते हैं कीचड़ में हमको कमल ढूंढना है. So how did he find the lotus in the pond of mud? We'll discuss some more. उसने क्या टेक्निक्स वापरे, उसने क्या किया जब उससे मालूम पड़ा कि his wife has cancer. How did he cope with it that day for 1 year, for 2 years, when he could not meet, touch, help the one person he loved the most in this world, his wife. We'll talk about that some more. Stay cheerful. Until then, bye.